Hi guys, welcome to Tech with Sitara YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make your mobile phone into a web camera. Let me show you how you can do that. For this we are going to use a software called Webcam, which allows us to convert our mobile phone into a web camera. So you will have to install this application first. Type the Webcam in the Google search bar and select the first one, e2soft.com. From here you can download the setup file for Webcam. Once download is complete, open the setup file and install it like this. Once application is installed, open it like this. Now you can see IV application is waiting to connect with your mobile device. Now we need to install Webcam application into the mobile phone as well. Open Play Store and search for Webcam. And click install. Once the application is installed, open it. Press allow to access the camera from the application. You can see now, since my mobile device and my PC is in the same network, same Wi-Fi network, my mobile device is automatically connected with my PC. Now you can see my mobile camera screen on my computer. You can see now in the screen Webcam application is in landscape mode. We need to change this to portrait mode. To do this, open the settings menu and from here you can change landscape mode to portrait and click OK. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please add it in the comment section. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do that here as well. Thank you. Keep in touch.